Hello, welcome. My name is Gerard. I'm the founder of OnTapSEO. I also run several other online businesses, and SEO is the main marketing channel that I use for all those projects. And basically, ever since ChatGPT came out, I've been experimenting, trying to automate as much of the SEO process as possible. I experimented with different workflows, no-code tools, but I could never quite get it from end to end. So that's why I built OnTapSEO. It takes care of my keyword research, writing, image generation, and then publishing it. And it really is fully hands-off. In this video, I'm just going to walk you through a full demo. We're going to set up a new site, fill our calendar with keywords, create the article, and then publish it. And then I'll show you how to turn on the autopilot feature so that this process runs in the background every day and you don't have to think about SEO ever again. So I'll start by creating a new site. All I need to do is type my URL, and this will autofill some details about my site. This is for my Replit development agency, so it's pulled some details from the website. Now I'm ready to start adding some content. The easiest way to do this is just to use this I'm feeling lucky process. That's going to take the background information and brainstorm 30 articles and keywords to fill my calendar with. And then I can just pick some initial personalization settings for how I want the content to be written, as well as the thumbnail that I want to be generated for all my articles. All the images are generated uniquely for each article, and it's using Flux on the back end for those images. And that's it. I start creating my content calendar. It's going to generate those articles and titles for me. And there we go. We've populated the first 30 articles. So since today's the 12th, it has started from tomorrow. So I can see that these are now filled up. So let's just click into one of these articles, get started. You can add some additional specific guidance here. And you can even turn that into a saved snippet if you want to reuse that in future articles later. I can customize the word length for each individual article, as well as the thumbnail if I want to mix it up for every article. But I'm just going to leave it simple for now. Just going to let OnTap do its thing. Hit generate article with AI. And there we go. We have our thumbnail according to our description. We have our little excerpt. We have this rich text editor if I want to make changes. We have some in-context links to my agency website, since it knows that this article is going to appear on the BYAB Studio website. It knows details about the main offering, so it is inserting those links throughout the article. And we have our full article, thumbnail, and everything ready to go in just a couple of minutes. And you'll notice that this publish button is currently grayed out just because we need to configure our publishing settings. Really easy to do. In this case, my BYAB site is actually running on Replit, and my blog is just the native Postgres database that Replit set up. OnTap lets you publish to Webflow and Postgres or Replit sites. So in this case, all I need to do is configure this by adding my Postgres database URL. Just grab that from my Replit secrets. So we have our database table here, blog posts, title. These all line up since obviously I've created this with the same structure as my current websites. Published, I'm going to set this to true. Save settings. Now we can head back to our calendar. I'm going to click into the article that was written. Now we can see that it's ready to publish. Let's try this out. Publish. And that has been published to my site. I can add individual articles or quickly brainstorm new ideas on a topic. So maybe Replit development, brainstorm some ideas, create the article, and then if I want to write it, same process as before, just hit generate article. You can always fill your calendar with 30 new articles by using the I'm feeling lucky or a full calendar topic brainstorm. You can also import a list of keywords, and that will be added to your calendar as well. Once I'm happy with the upcoming article titles and schedule, and I have my publishing settings configured, switch on autopilot, and now every day at 9 a.m., OnTap is going to check which articles are scheduled for the day. It's going to write them, create the thumbnail for it, and publish it to your site according to your publishing settings. You can manage multiple sites, turn on autopilot, and OnTap will take care of all of your SEO daily publishing duties. If you have any questions or feedback, let me know, and otherwise, enjoy the platform.